If you want to keep your relationship sparkling, if you want to keep the fire burning, it's very important to give each other appreciation. That way, if you have disagreements or maybe some hard times, you have some kind of buffer. Marshall Rosenberg calls it giraffe fuel. And most people do actually give each other, like give their partner, their family, their friends compliments, but it's usually in jackal. So I'll explain to you what I mean by that and why these regular compliments don't work. So regular compliments like you did a great job, you're so smart, you're so helpful, those are all judgments. Basically, I'm saying you did something good. You are good in whatever way. And by saying that, I imply that it's also possible that I will think that you did something bad. I basically enter the paradigm of good and bad. And so by entering this paradigm of good and bad, it's likely that the other person will feel a little bit of fear or threat because, I might judge them as an egoist, as dumb, or as not being helpful. Another effect of judging compliments is that it creates an effect of hierarchy, because basically I'm telling the other person what they are or what they are good at. I know better. So for example, I could be telling to another parent, "Oh, you're such a great parent." And then the other person might think, what does she know about that? She's so patronizing. So whenever you have the sense of feeling annoyed or maybe feeling small after someone gives you a compliment, it's very likely that it's because of that. So the third thing is that compliments are quite often labels. So they say something about who you are, not so much about what you did. So for example, you're smart, you're beautiful. And what this does is because the other person gets this label, they get a bit of a fear that you might have this expectation that they will be forever, smart and beautiful. And they will get this, this pressure of, what if next time I don't know the answer to your question? Or what if I will grow old and maybe you find me less beautiful? So that could be the effect of, the labeling part of regular compliments. And in all compliments that I mentioned, it's not clear what the compliment is actually about. Or to say it in MVC terms, there's no observation. And the effect of this is that the other person might be confused. Like, okay, they say I'm smart, but I don't know what they're talking about. What do they refer to? Or even that the compliment doesn't really enter as much or will not be remembered as much because it's just so vague in general and not really, referring to something specific. So in all these cases, the appreciation might be genuine, I'm happy about something that you did, but it won't really enter and you won't really have this giraffe fuel effect of recharging each other, recharging the relationship. So that's really a pity. So in my next video, I will tell you what you can do instead. And in the meantime, let me know in the comments what's a compliment that you sometimes receive or that you have received that doesn't really enter or that has one of the other effects that I mentioned on you. So I'd love to see you next time. If you want to get a notification about this next video, go to my website cupofempathy.com and sign up. You'll receive a lot of other nice tools as well, and you'll get a notification when the next video is ready. Okay, see you. Ciao!